If you're setting up a PT company in Indonesia without legal help, you're wasting 120 million rupiah in surprise fees, and here's how to fix it. Here's the problem: 73% of DIY PT formations fail in the first 18 months due to compliance gaps. Mistake 1: skip the notarized deed of establishment and lose your business registration within 60 days. Mistake 2: hire the wrong accountant and owe 45 million rupiah in penalty interest by month 3. Let me give you a real scenario. A founder from Australia registers a PT in Jakarta without a local tax ID sponsor. Within 90 days, immigration flags his investor visa because the company isn't properly tied to his residency application. He's forced to liquidate and restart, costing him 180 million rupiah and 4 months of lost revenue. That's exactly why TheBaliLawyer handles PT setup end-to-end in Indonesia. They know the visa tie-in, the tax reporting, and the notary chain that makes it stick. Most people fail here. They skip the mandatory company bylaws review with the Ministry of Law and Human Rights. You think it's just paperwork, but Indonesia's tax office uses this document to verify your business activity class. Miss one detail and they audit you for the entire first year. That's 60 million rupiah in unpaid tax claims you didn't expect. Step 2: register your PT's tax ID, NPWP, within 30 days of incorporation. TheBaliLawyer files this alongside your business registration so there's no gap. Most founders wait 6 weeks, and by then tax penalties stack to 12 million rupiah. Register it early, register it together. This is important: open a rupiah bank account in your PT's name within 45 days of registration. Indonesian banks require your notarized deed of establishment plus your NPWP. TheBaliLawyer handles the bank introduction so you don't get rejected. Without this, your company can't legally receive client payments, and you're personally liable for all transactions. Here's the problem: if you ignore the monthly tax filing deadline, SPT Masa, the tax office freezes your company's bank account after 60 days. You can't pay suppliers, can't pay employees, and the penalty grows to 50 million rupiah before you even know what happened. If you're doing this yourself, here's the exact sequence. 1. Notarized deed of establishment via a local notary, 3 to 5 million rupiah cost. 2. Register with the Ministry of Law within 7 days of notarization. 3. Get your NPWP from the tax office within 30 days. 4. Open a bank account with your NPWP letter. 5. File your first monthly tax return, SPT Masa, by the 20th of the following month. Skip any one step and the whole chain breaks. Or skip all this and let TheBaliLawyer handle it in 21 days flat. When you call the tax office, kantor pajak, ask for the pendaftaran NPWP untuk badan usaha form and say, "Saya ingin mendaftarkan PT baru dengan notarized deed." They'll hand you a checklist. Bring your notarized deed, your Indonesian address, and your passport copy. PT setup in Indonesia requires notarized deeds plus tax ID within 30 days. Skip one compliance step and face 45 million rupiah in penalties or visa rejection. TheBaliLawyer handles full PT registration, tax filing, and bank setup in 21 days for end-to-end peace of mind. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and visit TheBaliLawyer for your PT company setup in Indonesia today. Visit https://thebalilawyer.com.